you have saved yourself inflation. You have saved yourself from going to policy rate of 14%, which the country was having debt servicing of 1750 billion. Now you're talking of about 4,500 billion. Now what is this? This is all mismanagement. So I think debt is a very important. I agree. But having said that, let's look from a different angle. The law in this country was obviously self-introduced. The debt responsibility and fiscal responsibility debt limitation act. I triggered it. I brought Tariq Hassan from World Bank. They normally do not allow to go to your own country. President Wilson asked me that if you need any human resource, we understand you overworked. So I said, give this man to us. We started that. This good thing. We imposed ourselves, 60%. That law was rolled out obviously after the coup. But you see, then we campaign worldwide that we are debt trap. Can somebody tell me what is the US debt to GDP? 110%. UK after post-COVID, 101%. Japan 257. I never see any politician or any media house talking there that we are a debt trap country. Is this the difference is that they can print dollars, they can print sterling, they can print yen, and they can't, and we can't, and the rupee is not the global? See, let's please, for heaven's sake, the politics must be detached from this economy. I don't know. I'm being sometimes emotional, but I feel hurt. The country which was going to be part of G20 in few years' time, there should have been collective effort to reduce the timeline, and it would have been possible with the speed the country was moving on. But somehow, we are there. It's never too late. I think you campaign with your media partners and colleagues. Please force us that you go on that path, have chart of economy, and move the country back to where it was 2017.
Right. I think this is very important, and we recognize that you have been, championing this cause of Charter of Economy for many years. And on behalf of at least Prime Institute, I can commit that in the future, in next, going to elections, whenever we go to next elections, we will be actually working on the Charter of Economy, and we'll come back to you with your inputs, and of course other political parties would be involved in that process also. And certainly I think this is very important. And moving on, I just want to, you mentioned about the currency, and I just want to pick up the sound money theme. I know you're very also sensitive on that point, but I just want to hear your views on this association between stronger and
गुफ्तगू कर रहे थे, इस वक्त वो चंद सवालों के जवाब भी दे रहे हैं और